Welcome to our New Year's chestnut stuffed turkey recipe. Get ready to learn some detailed tips and prompts to make this festive dish perfect for your celebration. First, rinse the turkey thoroughly, inside and out, and pat it dry with paper towels. In a small bowl, mix together butter, olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, and thyme. Now, massage this mixture all over the turkey, including under the skin for that extra burst of flavor. Next, stuff the cavity with the quartered lemon, whole onion, and garlic. These aromatics will keep the meat moist and enhance the flavor during roasting. Tip: for an extra crispy skin, leave the turkey uncovered in the fridge overnight to dry out before seasoning. Prompt: imagine a golden brown whole turkey on a roasting tray, with seasonings rubbed evenly, showing lemon and onion stuffed inside. Melt butter with olive oil in a large skillet. Add the chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Then, add pine nuts and sauté until they are lightly golden. Now stir in the rinsed rice and bulgur and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Mix in the currants, cinnamon, allspice, salt, and black pepper and stir well. Pour in the hot water, cover, and simmer on low heat until the liquid is absorbed. Remove from heat and gently mix in the boiled chestnuts and chopped dill. Let it cool. Tip: do not overcook the stuffing on the stovetop as it will finish cooking inside the turkey. Prompt: picture a skillet with steaming rice, bulgur, chestnuts, and herbs, with spices and a wooden spoon beside it. Once the stuffing has cooled, spoon it into the turkey cavity without overpacking. Leave some space for expansion. Seal the cavity with kitchen twine or secure it with toothpicks. For even cooking, tie the turkey legs together with kitchen twine. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the turkey breast side up on a roasting rack in a large pan. Cover loosely with aluminum foil. Roast for 2.5 to 3 hours, basting the turkey every 30 minutes with its own juices or a butter olive oil mixture. For the final 30 minutes, remove the foil to allow the skin to brown and crisp up. Check for doneness using a meat thermometer. The thickest part of the turkey should read 75 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the turkey rest for at least 30 minutes after roasting to lock in the juices. Carve the turkey and serve slices with a generous scoop of the chestnut stuffing. Garnish with fresh dill, pomegranate seeds, or greens for a festive presentation.